and that you accept that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger. And you accept that as a Muslim, we have to accept Jesus, but we don't accept him as a God, we accept him as a messenger. And with that, we're ready to take Shahada, inshallah. So what we do, I'll say in Arabic slowly, and then you repeat after me bit by bit, okay? Alright, inshallah.
Hello? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, and I bear witness that the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is his slave and messenger.